Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel again. So today I'll show you how you can earn money by sharing articles only. Here you can see I opened already a website called Medium. You can use this site for earning money. Do you know how you can earn money? So let's see everything. So first of all, we need the articles. After getting the articles, then you can publish here, and after that, then you can earn money. Okay. So for this, we need some prompts to generate articles. Suppose I have written some of the prompts here. Here you can see. Here is the prompts number 1, 2, 3, 4. So I write here, write a beginner friendly tutorial on how to build a simple web application. Okay. You can see web application related prompts here. So here is the second prompts. Everything is there. Just you will convert your niche. You will use like Chat GPT or Google Gemini. If I go to the Chat GPT, suppose first of all you need to understand how you can generate the prompts. Okay, prompts is the main thing because you don't have enough time and you don't have the idea how you can write the articles. So that's why there is a lots of AI in this section and in this era. Now you can use AI like ChatGPT, Gemini, then DeepSeek, any others. But we can use right now a biggest article sharing or article related website like Perplexity. Let me show you one by one. First of all, I will generate some of the information from the chat GPT. Here is the chat GPT. I am clicking on trying chat GPT. Now I'll write here, give me 5 prompts. 5 prompts according to how to recover type 2 diabetes. Then you can see it will give us lots of prompts, like 5 prompts. So here is the prompts number 1. I'm copying these prompts here. Now I'll go to the Perplexity. You don't need to use any other tools because Perplexity is like a humanized AI. Okay, this will help you to write the article professionally with lots of information. Here you can see here is the Perplexity AI. I'll give the link in the video description, then you can use it. Okay, so here another tool called like Pustify. You can use this tool for your website SEO or for your article SEO. When you will publish your article, then you can use this website for your website SEO as well, and you can use it for your article as well. When you will start with just €1 for it, okay, this tool will help you to do the manual SEO so that your article can be held or can be appear in the first page of first line in Google so that people can watch it, view it, read it. Okay, you can use this tool as well. Okay, now I'm giving this information in the Perplexity. Then you can see he's writing lots of information. Let me show you one by one. You don't need to do anything first. You'll just copy the full text. Okay, I copied, and now I'll go to my doc file. Here is the article that I have. Okay, here you can see here is my article, full article. Can you see that? Here is my full article here. If you copy this from here, that will be also okay. And now I am writing this again. Yeah, here is the article, full article from me. This will help you to write like a human. Okay, or you can use Gemini as well. Okay, Gemini is very interesting. Or you can use DeepSeek AI. When you will be in the Gemini, ask for this. Here is my prompts. Now I am giving these prompts here. You need to wait here because Gemini will also give you the full information for the articles. Then you will copy this. After that, you will go to the file. Now here is the Gemini. Okay, here is my article. Okay, after writing the article, then you can see what is your article title. Let me find out the article title. Managing 2 types diabetes treatments. Here is the breakdown. So managing type 2 diabetes through dietary changes. This, suppose this is your article title. So I copy this title. Then I need to generate some of the images because a article without images is very difficult and will not rank in the higher of Google. So for this, I'll use Canva. Here is the Canva website. You can find it from Google if you search with the name of Canva. Okay, after going this Canva option, then you need to go to the design and search with articles, or because this is type 2 diabetes related information, so I'll type here diabetes. You can see lots of templates are here. I'll use this one, or I can use this. Is very lots information. I'll just use one image so that I can describe. This is a article, and this is based on only type 2 diabetes. I need to use one image here, so you can choose from here. Here is one. Okay, so I don't need this. I'll remove this. I'll just paste my information. Type 2 diabetes throw. Okay, let me show you one by one. Okay, here is my title. Here is my title, another part. Okay, I'll just design one image here because I need to use this image for my preview because Medium has a preview option. So I'll add the letter spacing, line spacing. Okay, you need to design it through yourself because no one will design your own images. You need to design it. If you design it with your thoughts, with your professionalism, that will be okay for you. But if you use like AI images, then Medium will understand you are using AI to generate your images. So my best recommendation is that you can use Canva and you can use manually for image. You can see I completed the design. So I'll download it, download JPG. Then after that, I'll select my current page, done, download. Okay. So my image will be downloaded. Just I need to wait to see when it will be completed. Here you can see my image is completed. Can you see that? Okay. Now everything is ready. Like our article is ready, our image is ready, everything is ready. Now what is the next step? The next step is Medium. So let's go on the Medium. Here is the Medium. So I need to click on the get started first because I'll use this tool for my email. So get started, you can sign up with your email, sign up with Facebook, sign up with email. So the best thing is sign up with email. Okay. So here is the option for your email. Just copy your email and then go to the Medium, type your email, continue. Okay. You need to wait here. We can use sign up with Google as well. Just a moment. Select your email, continue. Okay. You need to type your name. What is the publisher name? Every publisher has a name. So you can use your own name. So I am using my name. Here is the create account option. Okay, choose some of the information from here so that they can generate your feed. Continue. I don't need any membership because I need to earn money from this. You need to switch a plan, but right now we don't need to switch it because when we will be eligible for monetization, then we can switch a plan. We can use membership plan, but you need to join it because without joining it, you cannot earn money from it. Okay, so continue with a free account. So our account is created. Now let me go to the profile option because I need to set up something from here. Here you can see the edit profile option. You can update your image from here by clicking on this. Suppose this is my image. Suppose this is not my image. This is not my profile image. You can change your name as well here. You can type here your pronouns, like my pronoun is he. You can upload here is short bio, like I am a nutritionist for type 2 diabetes people. Okay, everything is there. Now we can go to the save option. Fine, everything is there. Now you can click on the write option to write in article here. Okay, so here is the title. This will be your article title. So how you can generate the article title? Okay, let me show you our article title. Here is, suppose this is my article full title, this one. So I'll copy this title and after that go to the Medium, then paste it here. Then here is the tell us your story. So first of all, I will use one image that I generated for this. Just click on plus icon. Here you can see the image. Here you can see the other option, but we don't need other option. We'll use here image and videos. So click on image, type your image. Okay, select your image. Here is the image that you generated for your videos or for your articles. So I added the images. Now I will add my articles here. Just I will copy this articles, full article, copy this, then go to your option, paste. Now I need to remove this because I need to make it better. Just remove this, the additional points. Sometime it will generate lots of additional points. You need to remove them. Okay, I'll show you how you can add a video here as well. So for adding the videos, you need to copy a link. You cannot upload directly a video here. You need to use video links, like you can use YouTube video links, or you can upload your videos in others platforms so that you can generate a link. You can use only link if you want to add here a video for your articles. So if you feel everything is okay, then you can click on publish, then you can type here the topic will be again your title. Okay, so the title will be the managing, and this one you can copy this title from here, and after that type here the publish now. The article is published. Now you can see people can view it, or if you want to share this article, then you can share it by copy the link, and also share on Facebook option, share on X, or share on LinkedIn. Okay, so how you can rank this? For ranking this, you need to wait minimum of 2 to 3 months, and you need to continuously upload the articles. When you will be uploaded like 30 plus articles, then you can expect a better result. Otherwise, you cannot expect a better result without publishing 30 to 35 articles, because Medium articles or Medium algorithm needs to understand what type of content you are providing here and what type of content you are creating here. So after getting the information from you, the algorithm will automatically upload it your information in various type of sites like Google information and others. Okay. So thank you very much. If you feel this video is okay, and if you feel this video is good, then hit the subscribe button, and also like, comment and share. Thank you.